Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to get any mod packs you guys want. Alright, this is going to be the simplest, easiest way for you guys, so let's do this guys. As always in my tutorial videos, you're going to click on the first link in the description guys, and then what you're going to want to do is, once you're on the CurseForge website, you're going to go ahead and see Get Desktop right up here. Click on that, and then it's going to say download for Windows or download for Mac OS. Download the version, whatever for your computer. So if you have an Apple, download this one. If you have a Windows, download this one. Now the reason we want to download this is because once you download it and install it, you're going to get this, which is CurseForge, okay? CurseForge is an amazing ModPack compatibility program. It allows you to basically install mod packs, very simple. It's really, really amazing. As well as you guys already know, you can kind of create your own little mod packs. Like, you can't configure the mod specifically to the mod pack, but you can still create your own custom profile. You can come in here and then you can install any mod you really want to your mod pack, and all you have to do is click install. Now if you guys want to find the mod packs, here's how. As you can see, I already have a few. I have Zombie Apocalypse. I actually have one downloading right now that I'm going to be doing the series on, so stay tuned for that. As you can see, there's RL Craft here as well. So once you first start out, what's going to happen is once you open it up, it'll show this. You're going to click on Minecraft. Once you click on it, yours might not be like this. It might be gray, but once you click on it, it should ask you to sign into your Minecraft profile. Once you've signed in, then you should be able to come here and browse mod packs. At the top here, you have my mod packs and then browse mod packs. Browse mod packs. This is where you can pretty much get any mod pack you want, which is really, really cool. They have the Pixelmon. You can also sort them from popularity. So you can click on popularity. You can go to categories, whatever category you want, the game version you want. So if we do Minecraft 1.17.1, you can see that there's a bunch of different things, which is really, really cool. So that's how that would be the best way simply. And all you have to do is click install, and it'll automatically install it like this right here. And that's it guys. That's how you do it. It's really easy to install mod packs now, and that's how you do it. You have all the mods. You can also search them up here if you would like. I'm just going to give you an example here, but you can see it pops up the mods that you want. So that's pretty freaking cool guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give a like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Adios.